What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Boy, do I got something for you. xTool reached out to me and they made something new. Again, they're good for that. They like to keep on top of the game. As you know, in the current video, I showed you, or a recent current video, I showed you that a business you can start with this and make pretty good money. Well, they have a little air purifier here, and I was wondering how that would work, like if you get the P2, let's say I bring the P2 to a craft show, or if you had the Ultra. Yeah, will that handle up? What kind of unit would you have to get? Well, they came out with one. This big behemoth. 5 different filters in it. This thing is massive. This is no joke. This is crazy. So I'm going to do some testing with this. But also, we have, so football right now is just starting to end. Now it's going to be all indoor sports. And like I said, doing the medals and everything. This is going to come in perfect timing. This came in perfect timing. It's going to come in handy. So we can set up, plug it in the back, set this thing up. And now we don't have to worry about any fumes getting in the building whatsoever. No one will smell it. This thing looks sharp. So let's plug it in and see what it looks like and see what it sounds like. They also did a bunch of different stuff with a fan. This fan is supposed to be really, really quiet. So I'm going to plug this in also and listen to this and see what we're dealing with. I'm really curious to see how this will work because like I said, we have those cold days coming ahead in Minnesota here, so we have a lot of indoor sports. So I plan on bringing this to a couple of shows, and we'll show sports, whatever you want to call them, and engrave some medals. So I'm gonna also bring this. If you notice, I'm wiggling it around on the table. It's on caster wheels. Well, plastic, I don't know if they're casters, but plastic wheels. So it's easy to move around, which is nice because this thing is heavy. It's not the lightest thing. It is kind of heavy. There is a glass piece that goes on the front. I haven't put it on because I just did the filters. So let's plug this thing in. Alright, it's all hooked up. I even have the laser hooked up to the computer so I could run some projects. But let's see how this sounds first. So on top, we're going to hit the fan button. Probably the power button first. So that's the lowest setting. And you can see so let's try. That's not too loud either. This is the highest setting. I feel like it's loud because my head's right here, but I bet if I put on the other tube, yeah, that noise goes way down. I can make like a commercial. Do you see my hair? So, that made it way quieter. You can see the bag still getting sucked in there. So it's got good suction. Yep. It's not too bad. That's actually really quiet. This is going to be nice. So that was 21 minutes straight to engrave that. I knew it wasn't going to come out nice and it was going to look burnt, but that's fine. I wanted to see how this did to hold up. And there is no wood smell, burnt smell, unless you put your nose against this. But there isn't, far as in the shop, there's nothing. Oh, still no smell there. So you can smell like paper. Like, there's no burnt smell. That's pretty neat. And this thing is quiet. So they also made a fan if you're an outdoor show, or if you need to run it out of your window, they also made another fan that's even quieter than this. And it's got way more power. And it all hooks up to this by Bluetooth, believe it or not. So it's less cables, as this is also the same thing. So you can have this on auto and have this hook up to Bluetooth, or you can run it manual. I was running it manual on that one because I wanted to play at the speeds, because I wanted to make sure there was no smell coming out of this. So after a while, I was doing some work over here on the computer, and I had my UV glasses, and my eyes were not liking working on the computer, and had those on, so I had to shut this so the blue light wasn't going everywhere in the shop. So I'm very, very curious, and I'm going to keep it up on videos and see how this goes. I think I'm going to do some testing with the P2, hook up to that, and see how well that does, and just cut a bunch of stuff off of it. See how it handles. But I'm really, really glad that this all came and they came up with something nice like this versus this little one that they have, because now I was worried I wasn't going to get through a full day with these filters. Now with this, I know I'm going to get through a full day doing trophies for sure. So I'm excited. Let me know what you think about this new filter system. Put it in the comments down below. And if you're looking for this, there'll be a link in the video description. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.